Hey guys, we received this Lenski art supplies for adults and kids. So these are the 12 colors jumbo rainbow pencils for kids or adults for the drawing kit or sketching. So we received this for test and try. So let me just show it to you. So the first impression is the nice, good quality jumbo pencils here as you can see. So these are the nice pencils with the rainbow lid inside. So you can give it as a gift to anyone, and you can see like the rainbow thing, and then the coloring and everything is looks like all the rainbow colors. So it's pretty nice. So there are 12 color of pencils. So like for example, like you can see like these the shades. So they are the multicolored pencils, they are the black wood pencils, neat patterns, and around 6.9 inch in the length. So the lead itself is 0.2 inches, and this pretty good, like the high quality neat and smooth one. So you can use this on a different painting or the sketching occasion. You can sharpen this like in the sharpener and then use that till the lid goes. The quality wise it's really feels nice and smooth, and the hold is also good. For the drawing purpose also, you can see you can easily do like the drawing, doodle, coloring books or anything else with these. So can be given gift to the kids or can be used for any other purpose for the kids or the adult painting. Overall my impression is really good for these pencils. These are the nice colored pencils with all the different shades and colors. So here you can see all the different shades and the colors that comes with this, the 12 pack one, and very nice colored pencils.